Hey there, welcome back to How to Install Zone. If you're looking to enjoy unlimited streaming with the Viva TV app on your Fire Stick, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to install Viva TV APK using the latest Viva TV downloader code. Plus, I'll share how to stay safe and stream anonymously. Let's dive in. First, ensure you have the downloader app installed on your Fire Stick. If you don't have it yet, I've linked a guide in the description below to help you install Downloader. Before we proceed, remember that all APKs are run through VirusTotal to ensure they're safe before installation. I also recommend using a real Debrid account for the best streaming experience. Links for everything you need, including real Debrid and a great VPN deal, are in the description. Launch your Fire Stick, open the Downloader app, and use your remote to highlight the section that says Enter a URL or search term. Enter the Viva TV downloader code 536472. Once entered, click Go. The file will start downloading automatically. Once it's done, you'll see an option to install. Select Install. Once the installation is complete, click Done. Now, let's save space on your Fire Stick by deleting the installation file. Select Delete twice to remove it completely. To find Viva TV, go back to your Fire Stick home screen, select the Apps section, and scroll to My Apps. Viva TV will be located at the end of the list. Open it and you're ready to stream. Before you start streaming, remember to protect your privacy. Viva TV lets you access content from different regions, so it's a great idea to use a VPN. I've linked NordVPN deals below to help you stay safe and unrestricted online. Lastly, a quick disclaimer. This guide is for educational purposes only. Be sure to stream content available in the public domain, as the legality of certain apps and services varies by region. Always do your due diligence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.